Hello class, our lesson for today is all about consumer and business loan. In this lesson, we are going to illustrate business and consumer loans, distinguish between business and consumer loans, and solve problems involving business and consumer loans. What are your goals in life? Do you want to have a car, a house and lot, and a business investment? However, we cannot afford those things dahil napaka-expensive nito. Usually, it takes time na mabibili natin or ma-acquire yung mga goals natin because we need to earn more and save more money in a certain period of time. Fortunately, there is a way para makuha natin or mabili natin yung mga long-term goals natin in a short period of time. That is through loans. In the previous topics that I have discussed, we all know that loan is the borrowing of money by one or more individuals, organizations, or other financial institutions with a certain purpose. Now, we have two types of loan according to its purpose. The first one is the business loan and the other one is the consumer loan. Let's have the first activity. Distinguish whether the following examples are under consumer loan or business loan. Let's have the first one. Lina bought a refrigerator through her credit card. So what type of loan is that? That is consumer loan. The second one, Maddie loans in a rural bank to repair her house. So what type of loan is that? That is consumer loan. And the last one, Mrs. Jones wants to open restaurant in the city, so she borrowed in multi-purpose cooperative. So what do you think is the type of loan in the statement? That is a business loan because she wants to open a business. Did you got it correctly? Very good. So let's proceed to definition of terms in basic concepts of loans. The first one is amortization. It is a method of paying a loan on installment basis, usually of equal amount at regular intervals. So yung term na to, ginagamit to mostly sa housing loans. Kung hindi kayo familiar sa paying process ng housing loans, ang una dito is to pay the process fee plus the down payment. And then after that, within a certain period, you will have to pay your outstanding balance monthly. The second one, mortgage. It is a loan secured by collateral that the borrower is obliged to pay at specific terms. So itong mortgage naman, mostly ginagamit to sa mga pawn shop at saka sa mga lending institutions. Sa mortgage naman class, kapag maglo-loan ka, dapat meron kang collateral na isa-surrender for the security of the loan. But ano nga ba yung collateral? It is the assets used to secure the loan. It may be a real estate, other investments, or money such as down payment. Sa madaling salita, ito yung mga bagay or assets na may halaga na pwedeng katumbas siya sa amount ng ilo-loan mo. For example, sa pawn shop, meron silang nire-required na collateral gaya ng alahas, cellphone, or any appliances. And base sa value ng mga collaterals na yon, yung magiging amount ng malaloan mo. So, bakit kaya sila nag-require ng collateral? Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, it is used to secure the loan. So, para maobliga yung nangutang na mabayaran yung loan sa inutangan niya. In case na hindi mo mabayaran yung niloan mo, yung collateral na sinurrender mo ay yun yung magsisilbing kabayaran sa niloan mo. Ang tawag doon ay foreclosure. Kapag foreclose na yung property or yung asset, hindi mo na maaaring matubos or makuha yung collateral na sinurrender mo. The last one is the outstanding balance. It is any remaining debt at a specified time. Let's proceed to the solving problems involving business and consumer loans or amortization and mortgage. I have the formulas here. Makikita nyo rin to sa module nyo. The first one is when the future value is missing, meron tayong formula ng compound interest. F is equals to P, quantity 1 plus J raised to N. And then yung sa pangalawa naman, kapag yung interest mismo yung hinahanap, we will simply subtract future value and present value. And then yung sa pangatlo naman class, when mortgage is missing. So meron tayong formula dito, mortgage is equals to CP minus DP, wherein DP is the down payment and CP is the cash price. And then yung pang-apat naman, when interest is missing, tapos yung given naman is yung mortgage. Kukunin muna natin dito yung total amount is equals to RMT, where R is the regular payment, M is the conversion period, and T is time in years. So, familiar naman tayo dyan kasi na-encounter na natin yung conversion period sa compound interest. So, sa pagkuha naman ng interest, interest is equals to TA minus mortgage. Let's have an example. A business loan of 200,000 pesos is to be repaid in full after 4 years. If the interest is 8% quarterly, how much should be paid after 4 years? So, sa last statement na how much should be paid after 4 years, obviously, ang hinahanap dito ay yung future value. So, we are going to use the compound interest formula, which is F is equals to P multiplied by 1 plus J raised to N. So, ayan lang. You need to identify the principal value, which is 200,000, and the time of 4 years. And I is equals to 8%. And then, i-convert natin to sa quarterly interest by dividing it by 4. Bali, yung J natin is equals to 2%. And then, let's substitute the values sa formula natin. Bali, F is equals to 200,000, quantity of 1 plus 2% raised to 16. Therefore, ang future value natin is equals to 274,557.14. Next example, number 2. For the purchase of a farm, the bank requires 30% down payment. How much is the mortgaged amount if the cash value is 900,000 pesos? So, alamin muna natin yung formula ng mortgage. Ang formula niya ay M is equals to CP or cash price minus DP or down payment. So, we need to identify what is the cash price and what is the down payment here. So, given na dito yung cash price, which is the 900,000 pesos. Tapos, yung down payment naman class, we simply multiply the 30% sa cash value na 900,000 pesos. Therefore, the down payment is equals to 30% times 900,000 and DP is equals to 270,000 pesos. So, we can now substitute the values of CP and DP. M is equals to 900,000 pesos minus 270,000 pesos. Therefore, ang sagot natin dyan ay M is equals to 630,000 pesos. So, huwag natin kakalimutan yung unit niya na PHP. So, sa last example naman, Miss Lorraine obtained a 5-year mortgage for 1,500,000 pesos if her monthly payment is 46,000. How much is the total interest? So, as you can see, yung given natin is yung time, which is 5 years, and yung mortgage amount of 1,500,000. So, ang given din dito is yung regular payment, which is 46,000. Ito yung R. Tapos, yung M natin or yung conversion period natin dito class is yung monthly. Kapag kinonvert siya sa number of frequency sa isang taon, ito ay M is equals to 12. Base sa nakuha nating mga given, ang pwede natin gamiting formula dito for finding the interest is the I is equals to TA minus mortgage. But hindi given yung TA, so we have to solve for total amount or TA. Wherein TA is equals to R times M times T. So given naman itong lahat, kaya i-substitute na natin. TA is equals to 46,000 times 12 times 5 years. Therefore, ang TA natin is equals to 2,760,000 pesos. So, since nakuha na natin yung TA, we can now substitute this value sa formula natin. Therefore, I is equals to TA, which is the 2,760,000 minus the mortgage amount, which is the 1,500,000 pesos, resulting in the amount of 1,260,000 pesos. So, yan yung amount ng total interest natin.